Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm Silo Boy Taylor DJ. So today we are back with another album review. Actually, it is a single iphume from the album ka General Smamane. The upcoming album yakhe is single. I think ikade lo drop ama single. So I think this one bazo release official because it's in a music video. So ingoma nje actually classic remake because this song ingoma iHouse endala Harrison Crump. I think ayibizwa iHang Up. Iphume around about 2011 or 2010. I'm not sure, but I remix awake ngo 2014 no General Smamane we remix lo wenza vision yeGqom, and I think ile Smamane yona elendile. So General Smamane usane under utira lapha Afrotainment eDurban. So I think this time bayitholile ingoma abazompromote ngayo because kudala khona behind the scenes kuyingoma zase Afro eningi behind the production engomeni zase Afro na kuma mix nje umuntu obig when it comes to isini le yeGqom party i-recognition bengakayitholi nationally. So I think le ngoma yona ingoma izomthatha imbeke ku-11 because even the music video yakhona ngibona no, I think finally Afrotainment ya-invest again because dala silo simbona kuma-shows afana nabo First Step and Rock sade lokho evela but besingakayiboni like imali ephoragene lapha noSmamane because I think mina umunye umuntu oyikhiya lapha Afro and i-age yakhe samvumela usemncane ugood production and ugood kakhulu isikhathi to ama-remix nama-remake engoma because nje I think nami ngiqala ukumuzwa there was i-remix yeSoweto Funk la DJ Musa deyenzile even ezodlala imix yakhe like all the time uhlezi edlala 100% production ingoma zakhe because uproductive ngaleyo ndlela. So I think finally kuTira ke uyifakile imali uGeneral Smamane. So I think le ngoma leyo izomthatha imbeke kule level. So nje bengifuna Speaker Nawe siphakamise sikhuphule because ngizwe la no ingoma eyaqinisa hayi la kokotha ngempela igqomile laseDurban ile different, and I think mhlambe uSmamane next Thukzin because uThukzin weqale nje ngayo waqala waba big la kwaqalwa respect abantu abawo DJ before ethole recognition national. So I think uSmamane mhlambe mangaqhubha nje izinto akayenza kanje uzoze ithole lo ngoma ezolenda and then imbeke emehlweni abantu ebe famous national because already ubig KZN when it comes to production nama-gig nani, but abantu abaningi abalazi igaba, abanye bayazazi ingoma but ababazi ubuso bakhe because wenza ama-remix engoma eningi nje like abantu beGqom banokurelease ingoma zingafiki nama-Spotify naku-YouTube Music bavele berelease ingoma nje like ubone sedlala anyway la kuzizwa kuma-mix ezinye uzizwa bathi bakushaya nge-exclusive uzwe nje imix kuphelela kumahamba indawo efana nabo London lapha le ekwamashu laphana lokuyona ke I think isona siphethu seGqom le KZN. So I think kuSmamane ke ixesha lakhe lifikile laphana bathe akakhuphuke. So Speaker Nawe nje besifuna ukuthi simshayinise because hayi ingoma ihlangene sizwile ivideo bengakaphumi but I'm sure izodropa before kuphela uNovember because u3 weeks uphelile kade besibonisa ama-scenes ayo. So nje bengifuna uyivala lapho Speaker Nawe sekhona on Twitter @Speaker Nawe, sikhona na TikTok Speaker Nawe, Instagram Speaker Nawe, sikhona na Facebook Speaker Nawe, sikhona na ku Twitch @Speaker Nawe. We out.